Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mobile Mastery Hacks. In this video we will show how to get direct messages from TikTok. First of all, simply open, click on profile, then on three ticks, then on settings, then on privacy, and you will see here, go back, then open setting. Simply go to the app setting, and you have to search for TikTok. Click on TikTok, and here to your permissions, clear the cache and allow all the permissions from here, and force stop app from here. Uninstall the TikTok here and install it again. Then simply again go to the TikTok, click on profile again, and creator tools. Then here you will see report a problem. Click on direct messages. Direct message no longer available. Wait some time, then a page will open, and here you will have or explain your problem TikTok here. Simply type your problem here, that my TikTok direct messages are not working here. So please enable direct message option. Thanks. Report. And once you will get the message from TikTok team, you will receive your message, direct messages on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to YouTube.